Now we are going to see problem solving using bar models. Problem solving using bar models. It is combined addition as well as subtraction both together. But this sum only addition. So now look at the sum. We are going to solve the sum. First question. Class 4 students went to the science quiz. Class 4 students went to the science quiz. So class 4 students, they went to the science quiz. They were 35 boys in the class. In that class, 35 boys, and there were 10 more girls than boys. There were 10 more girls than boys. So there were 10 more girls than boys. So 10 more girls than boys means the girls is what? Girls are more than the boys. Girls are more than the boys. How many girls more than the boys means 10 girls more than the boys. That means you have to find out only the girl's strength. You have to find out the girl's strength. So they clearly mention the boy's strength, that is total number of boys is 35, and also they given very clearly 10 girls more than the boys. 10 girls are more than the boys. So you have to find out how many girls in the class. How many girls in the class. So you know that very clearly this sum is a addition, but you are using the bar model. Okay. Bar model, that is boys, that is 35 boys, and girls, that is you have to write 35. Why should I write 35? Boys strength is 35. Then girl strength, why do you write 35? That means what they clearly mention, there were 10 more girls than boys. So you have to what? Write the boys strength more than the boys. How many girls? 10 girls. So you have to what add together, then you have to find out only. If you add together only, you have to find out the girl strength. That means boys strength you have to write. See, boys strength is 35, that is clearly mentioned, and also again girl strength you have to find out. But what they given in the question, 10 girls more than the boys. So you have to write the boy strength as well as you add with the what? 10. So 10 girls more than the boys. That means you have to write the boy strength as well as plus 10 with the 10. Okay. You have to write boy strength is 35. Then you have to write in the first bar, you have to write the boy strength. And the girl strength, that means 10 girls more than the boys. So 10 you have to write, and also you have to the boy strength. That means that is included. So you have, if you want to find out the girl strength, you have to include the boy strength also, because the boy strength is clearly given 35, and also in the statement what they given in the in this question what they given, 10 girls are more than the boy. That means 35 girls also included in the strength. Okay, so 35, what is the boy strength? 35 plus 10, that means 10 girls more than the boys. That is why we have written in the girls bar, we have to write 35 plus 10. You what add together, and finally you can get the answer 45. So that is what I have written, girls in fourth standard, girls in 4th standard. The 45 girls, they went to the science quiz. So okay, 45 girls and 35 boys. So the number of boys 35, number of girls is 45. So overall in that in class, how many girls were in the class means 45 girls are in the class 4 session. So girls in the class 4, that is number of girls, number of boys 35, and number of girls, that is clearly mentioned 45 in class 4. Okay, that means girls in what? But the question is girls in class 4, that is 45 students. Girls in class 4, 45 students. That is that is girl strength. That is number of girls. Girl strength is 45. It's clearly mentioned. I'll repeat once again. See, class 4 students went to the science quiz. See, class 4 students went to the science quiz. So science quiz, only the class 4 students went, and there were 35 boys in the class. In that 4th standard, 35 boys in the class. There were 10 more girls than boys. So boys strength is 35, clearly mentioned, and girl strength you have to find out. So what you're going to do, you have to write 35. This is boy strength. Why should you write 35 means they clearly mentioned 10 more girls than boys. That is what you have to write the boy strength plus 10 more girls. That is what you have to write. 35 plus 10, you can get 45. So girls in class 4, that is 45 students. So number of girls is 45. Number of boys is 35. Number of girls is 45 in class 4.